change the foreground color. Here's the HTML notation. Press OK. And now change the background color. Here's the HTML notation. Press OK. Select the gradient tool. The gradient I'm using is foreground to background. The shape is linear, and now just trace your gradient. And now select the type tool. The font I'm using is crimson text. The type is semi-bold, and for the size I will go with 600. Center. For the color it's white. And now left click and now type your text. Select the move tool. Center your text. And now right click on text layer, convert to smart object. And now right click on text layer, select blending options. And now reduce the fill to 0. Select bevel and emboss. So for the style, it's inner bevel, technique smooth. And now I'm going to increase the depth. Soften, I will go with 4. For the size, I'm going to increase it. And now first thing, go to contour, left click. And then here I'm going to select this one here, triple ring. And now you can adjust, for example, the depth, size, and soften to your liking. So in these settings, I'm going to leave it here. And now I'm going to change the layer mode here of the white color here to overlay. And then here I'm just going to reduce the opacity. And then let's add the drop shadow. So I'm going to leave the drop shadow here. Here are the settings. And now press OK. And now since it is a smart object, you can change the text. Double click in the text layer. Now select the type tool. So you can change, for example, the font or the size. So I'm just going to change the text inside. So double click and now let's type our text. And now here, if you save your smart object, go to File, Save Smart Object. Let's go to our image. So the text is not complete. Let's go back to the smart object. So we just need to increase the canvas size here using the crop tool. So first of all, I'm going to select the zoom tool, right click, zoom out, and now select the crop tool. So here are the settings I'm using. And now I'm just going to increase the size so that the text fits in the Canva here. And now just press enter. And now go to File, Save Smart Object. And now let's go to our previous image. So here it is. Select the Move tool. And now if you check the transform controls, you can scale it down to fit the layer.